wrong vengeance. No dangerous at this point.
Ever, how do you want the 67 third?
Going the wrong way, boss. Everybody go.
2 ball 35, how did you want your free open?
Nope, no you're not. You're going out.
3 Manora. 10.
You have to leave right now.
Let's go. Everybody's got to go. Everybody's got to go. Everybody's got to go. I am pissed that you're here. Get your ass over here now. Get your ass over here. No, sorry, no. I'm just waiting for you.
1841 South Mississippi Trail.
Your ass.
LD Street. That's 711.
I ought to beat your ass. What the hell are you doing?
2, 3 middle door.
Invited. They told me the cop said it was okay, so not me. I'm not intoxicated.
You realize the homeowner called because she had no idea this was going on and she wants everybody trespassed. Only means your name goes in a police report.
Don't trespass.
Details on that 69.
This is an aggressive pit bull that was loose running around.
What's the location of that?
5th Street and Northeast Avenue.
Hop the fence, do whatever you got to do. If I catch you, you go in cuffs.
Hey, go.
Tries 2 ball 60, suicide C.
10 for the residences being vacated. If the homeowner is still 51, can you have them 56 outside?
They're outside.
They were going to be 51.
All right, so homeowner's here. She's pissed. So we've got, here's the problem that I've got is we've got open containers of alcohol. I know there are minors here because some of them were kids that I used to teach when I was in school. Okay, so someone's getting charged with an open house party today, 2nd-degree misdemeanor. All right, so I need everybody who's in charge of this to have a seat on that couch.
Sir, does that mean it's like going to jail tonight?
It could be the option.
There's 2 ball 1, 2
I
ball 2,
wasn't responsible for it.
So have a seat on the couch. If we need to call whoever the boss is, because I know y'all work for a company, right? If we need to call whoever the boss is, that's fine. We can do that. But right now, you're not free to leave. If you wouldn't mind just staying 10-12, there's a lot of noise. I'm going to try and
There's
get
2
it out.
ball 1, 2 ball 2.
All right, sorry about what's going on. I'll talk with you in just a minute, okay? But yeah, if you want to start taking video evidence for insurance, whatever you got to do.
One and 2, that guy's going to be unrelated.
Oh shit! What the hell do you think you're doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm sorry.
You want to go to jail tonight? Get the hell out!
Yes, sir. Get my
Go!
Let's go.
Yo! What you want to be talking smack for? You want to talk some real shit? Talk some real shit.
Chill. Don't put him. Just let him have it.
Go.
Just chill. Come on.
Go.
Come on.
Go.
Let's go.
Don't need to walk. I don't care if it's the Walmart, Wawa, I don't give a shit. Go.
2 ball 4, you coming?
Y'all need to walk. Go.
Hey, y'all, let's go.
Go.
Sir, her phone. She lost her phone in the house.
Sorry. Bye. Y'all are going the wrong way. That sucks. No. I'm telling. If you go back in there, you're going to go to jail for trespass after warning. You need to go. You shouldn't have been here in the first place. Go.
Because my name on the house. I thought I told you, brother.
There's 2 ball 3 coming in for you.
I better not get in no trouble doing this.
Tamari, Mr. Holmes, is he out there?
I don't know.
Because if he runs, I'm going to go find him and put him in jail.
Tomorrow, you say if you run, you're going to find him and put him in jail.
We can solve this with a ticket, or we can resolve it with handcuffs.
With a ticket or something, man. Just come back, bro. I'm not trying to go to jail or something like that.
Double line that up.
Put the car in park, step out. 10-4, if you could put a signal 4 screen and holding for me at this same location. Florida tag, it's going to be vehicle versus structure. We're 1074, no need to roll fire.
I'm just trying to get out, so that's all.
Well, you just crashed into that, so now I'm going to need your license, registration, proof of insurance.
License and everything else is in there.
Okay, appreciate that. You're not free to leave. You understand that if you leave after a hit and run crash, you go to jail, yes?
Correct.
Okay, so you're going to sit right here?
Yes, sir.
All right, we're going to deal with that issue, and then I'll come deal with this issue.
I'm very sorry.
Thank you.
So it's 2 ball 1, 2 ball 2, 1034.
Why are we still hanging out? We just waiting on rides or what?
Yeah, we went on rides.
Okay, all right. Hi there. Are you a homeowner here?
I am.
Are you Annette, right?
Nanette.
Okay, hi. I'm Officer Jones, Sarasota Police Department.
Hi. Thank you so much.
We were
for
out here
coming
earlier tonight
I
for a noise
yeah.
complaint. At that point, the person who was renting out the property showed me the contract. The noise ordinance level was down. I did not have enough to try and put an end to anything,
Okay.
unfortunately.
Yeah.
So we cleared that with a report. I still got to type that tonight.
Sorry.
Have you been inside yet?
No, my
Okay.
husband's in there right now. He goes, you might not want to come in there.
Okay. It's trashed. It's trashed. So whatever you guys need to do to take pictures for insurance,
Okay.
work that out. What did they let you know was going to be happening here tonight, if anything?
They're like, oh, we wanted to have a gathering. And I was like, okay, well, the noise ordinance is 11 p.m. You can't be crazy. It's a quiet neighborhood. You can't park on the street. You can't, because it's, we're deed restricted in here. It's a nice, quiet place. So, but it says right in my, VRBO listing. I called them before I called you guys because I was like, what can I do? Can I go kick him out? I was ready to come over here myself and kick him out,
Sure.
which is not a great idea. But I was like, can I make them vacate and trespass them? And she said, yes, you can do that because it says right in my listing, there's no parties. Like,
So what we've got right now, and I have to, my sergeant is on the way because he was out here with me
Okay.
earlier. I've got his deal because he was on the initial report.
They broke the man.
He's on the initial
they broke
report
the
for
man's
this.
dining room table. They trashed the place. They standing on the man's counter.
If you wouldn't mind, mine isn't
I
on this.
hope they might go in the bedroom.
Thank you.
Officer Jones, I'm not going to jail tonight, man.
Hold on, I'm going to read you something and then we'll go from there, okay?
I'm finna read my rights. I'm going to jail.
Well, so here's the thing. Just because I'm reading your rights doesn't mean you're going to jail. I'm reading your rights because you're detained right now and I'm going to ask in questions. And in order to do that, you need to understand your rights, okay?
Calm down, bro. Calm down.
2 ball 3 is 97.
I did not want this to happen, man. We're gonna pay for all this. I'm gonna clean this house.
I got you.
I'm
Well,
gonna pay for that.
we'll
I'm
get
gonna pay cash for that table.
We'll
We're gonna
get
get the
through-
whole same table.
we'll get through all of that, okay? Or do
I'm gonna
anything.
get the same exact table, man.
If you wouldn't mind, I'm just going to read these to you so I got your attention, okay? All right. So obviously we were out here earlier, right?
Until we figure out what's going
Okay.
on. Right now we're talking to him.
You all told us there weren't minors in here. Your partner told us. No, I'm not saying
There
you.
wasn't.
Okay.
At first, when y'all first started, there was no minors. We started getting a flood of people that had a mistaken for our party being the other party getting shut down.
Okay.
That was the young people party. I don't know what was going on. We had 18 and up.
Do you guys have a log of everybody's ID that you checked?
We have a Poshmark. We have an ID. We got a list full of names of people that paid for our tickets. Everybody that was at our gate had tickets.
Okay.
Then we started
And
getting a
they
lot of people
they
coming
got
in.
birthdays on that too?
They should have birthdays. You can check their Instagram or whatever they are, but
Okay.
like you can check them, run their names. It's a full name on all the list. We got everybody's names and all.
Okay.
It's like we did just try to be professional as possible. 18 and older. We go to mark it down. We mark it down all the 18, other 21. We didn't have no alcohol like that. We only had a few bottles.
Well, so what I'm
Then they started
seeing.
bringing in salsa drinks and little cans and shit.
Well,
it's
so
really-
as I explained to your partner earlier when we were out here earlier, that it doesn't matter what you guys provide or what gets brought in as the people in charge of the party, so to speak. You're responsible for everybody. And I can tell you, I went in that back room, and that room reeks of weed. It
Which back
reeks
room?
of that back room right there.
Locals, I see Twisted Lemon,
You see, Ted,
Crown War.
Man,
Who's
I
responsible for
didn't-
that?
God, it just
representative of the party.
Huh? You go to jail.
All right, stand up.
go to jail, God.
Go to end your phone call. We'll come back.
Hey, I'll grab your phone. It's gonna come with you, okay?
You want a second?
Yeah. Your boy's a coward for leaving you on the hook.
You gotta be better friends.
Right, your subject's there, 9-1, subject's there.
All right. I've got his information. All right, we're gonna go down to my car over here. This homeboy, while he was trying to get out of here, turned his wheels and crashed into the side of their house. So I detained him for a minute. All right, my man, we're gonna go this way. And I might have had something you just got to see on the body cam real quick. I'll explain it in a minute. All right, we're gonna go to that car that's flashing over there.
My small business is in that car. I have to keep that car.
Your what?
I have a small business. I clean carpets.
You wanna hit that real quick? I'll work with you on that before we roll out of here, okay?
7-13.
Hang tight, we'll get you out of here as soon as we can, all right?